Halo, selamat datang lagi di kelas nulis artikel, esai, dan opini. Kita lanjut ya. Jadi, ini beberapa contoh kalau kita menulis untuk majalah remaja misalnya, mereka meminta si pembaca menulis topik-topiknya. Some people believe that money should be one of the most important reason for choosing a job or career. What is your opinion? Jadi beberapa orang percaya bahwa uang adalah salah satu hal penting dalam memilih karir atau pekerjaan. Apa opinimu? Nah, tulis sebuah paragraf ya, kemudian bikin statement, pernyataan, dan explaining, jelaskan opinimu. Ini contohnya. Is money important? Apakah uang itu penting? Ya, jadi introduction-nya misalnya pembukaannya I disagree. Aku enggak setuju kalau uang itu penting, lebih penting waktu dan happiness, kebahagiaan. Kemudian di conclusion terus di long hours cost to family life misalnya expo. Jadi kalau misalnya uang penting tapi dia memakan waktu banyak, terus mengambil jatah kehidupan keluarga, tentu akan ini. Kemudian job satisfaction, produktif, self image. Misalnya orang yang kerja lembur, overtime, pasti dia akan kurang imbang kehidupannya. Kemudian di konklusinya mengkonfirmasi lagi bahwa penulis tidak setuju bahwa uang penting karena dia lebih penting waktu dan kebahagiaan ya. Nih, in my opinion, money should not be one of the most important reasons for choosing a job or career. What we should consider is what we will spend most of our waking hours at work. So, being happy in the career we choose should be the most important factor when deciding what we want to do with our lives. A career is something that we have to think about very seriously as it is a decision that will affect most of our life. Tadi introduction-nya atau lead-nya. Kemudian paragraf pertamanya, firstly, in choosing the right career, we should plan for the future and think about the demands that a family will put on our schedules. Taking care of family is very time consuming. For example, children need to attend different school activities, which we need to take them to. So if we spend too much time at work, who will transport our children for us? Terus third paragraph. Ya, paragraf berikutnya. Secondly, I can imagine spending so many hours at work and being unhappy. It must be the worst thing in the world. An important fact is we need to be happy. If we are happy, we will be productive at work. For instance, having to work overtime to complete an urgent job would not annoy us if we enjoy our work. Job satisfaction is also important as to how we see ourselves. Konklusinya, in conclusion, the belief that money should be one of the most important reasons for choosing a job career is not an option for me. I strongly disagree that money should be a deciding factor in choosing a career. What should be important is how much time I need to spend at work each day and job satisfaction. Jadi itu tadi contoh bikin esai dalam beberapa paragraf. Nah, tips menulis esainya, gunakan linkers untuk mengkorelasikan satu paragraf ke paragraf yang lain. Contohnya, untuk menunjukkan perbedaan, pakai on the other hand, in contrast, on the contrary, however, despite. Untuk menambah poin, pakai kata in addition, beside, as a result, similarly. Kemudian gunakan struktur advanced grammar, present past perfect. Have, has, plus verb 3. Kondisional, pakai if titik, subject would titik. Kemudian pakai passive voice. The ball was kicked by the boy. Always put yourself in the place of reader. Jadi tempatkan diri kita di tempat si pembacanya. Are you convinced with the writer's point of view? Apakah pembaca cukup yakinkan dengan point of view-nya si writers? Are you interested to read the essay until the end? Apakah kita tertarik untuk membaca essay sampai akhir? Apakah kita puas dengan informasi yang disampaikan dalam essay tersebut? Avoid being too personal. Jadi hindari untuk terlalu personal dan export to many detail from your personal life. Jangan terlalu banyak dari sisi personal kita ya. Kemudian avoid going off topic. All arguments should reinforce thesis statement and you shouldn't go off mark providing additional information on the argument themselves, their origin, definition, dan lain-lain. Jadi hindari keluar dari topiknya, jangan OOT ya. Semua argumen itu harus menguatkan tesis statement pernyataan kita ya. Kemudian do not repeat yourself, jangan ulang-ulang, jangan mubazir. Avoid excessively emotional content. Jadi hindari konten emosional yang terlalu banyak. Opinion is a present a point of view and illustrate how it was developed by the author. Avoid aggressive tone, moral judgment, and don't attack the opposite side for comparison. Jadi jangan terlalu agresif, jangan terlalu menghakimi, jangan terlalu menyerang sisi yang berlainan ya. Jadi berusaha netral. Choose your word. Ya, choose your word. Terus sekarang teman-teman mulai praktek, misalnya it has been suggested in order to increase road safety, everyone with a driver license should be required to take another driving test every 5 years. You agree or disagree with this suggestion? Write a passage for the newspaper setting and explaining your opinion. Praktek ya. Ini praktek lagi, misalnya koran sekolah minta kita menulis topik many famous people complain that the media does not respect their privacy. Do you think their complaints is legitimate or does the media have a right to report on their private lives? Write a passage for newspaper stating and explaining your explanation. Lagi, praktek lagi, misalnya majalah internasional untuk pemuda. Kita suruh nulis tema ini, it is generally believed that people of the same generation have certain ideas, beliefs, and or characters in common. What do you think is typical of your generation? Jadi tulis untuk magazine, majalah, describe some ideas, beliefs, and characters of your own generation. You may also compare your generation to previous generation ya. Coba prakteknya. Resepnya adalah praktek nulis, dan tertulis. Selamat nulis.